In this video, we're going to discuss international wires with reference codes that we refer to as Q codes. To create a Q code for your account, we're going to send a post request to /v2 contact funds transfer references endpoint. The post body needs to include an account number for an open account and a contact ID on that account. You can only create one contact account funds transfer reference or Q code for one unique combination of account ID and contact ID. The response is going to give you several different sets of wire instructions. The first wire instruction you're going to get is actually US domestic wires using this Q code. The Q code is also here in the reference field of the attributes. These US wire instructions are not necessarily needed because we now offer push transfer methods, which give you a virtual bank account and routing number for US domestic wires. You also get a Signet deposit address in case you have banking relationship with Signature Bank and can use the Signet money transfer network. You can also use this Q code with Signet transfers. If you scroll down, you'll see the first set of international wire instructions. These wire instructions are the correct wire instructions to use to send any kind of foreign currency for conversion into US dollars before they land in the Prime Trust account. If you are trying to send alternate currency, there's an alternate currency wire instructions section. It does include the USD in this case. This account that I'm set up with in this demo environment does not have any foreign currencies enabled. Foreign currencies are enabled by your account manager or your sales engineer. Once they are enabled, you will see additional currencies instructions. Currently, we are supporting euros, British pound, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, and Japanese yen. If you need support for another currency, again, please talk to your account manager or sales engineer. To simulate an international wire transfer, there's a special sandbox-only method that we can use. So if you send a post request to /v2 contact funds transfer references / the ID of the contact funds transfer reference that we just created, with the additional paths /sandbox /contribution, that will create a simulated contribution via international wire transfer. In this case, I'm using the parameters include funds transfer because we'll need the funds transfer ID to settle this wire manually in the sandbox. That happens automatically in production. All right, so this is the contribution we just created in the sandbox, and we can see that the status is pending. The next step is to take a look in our sandbox. And we see under the external transfers that there is a pending $1 million international wire transfer, with the Q code reference here. We're going to use this special sandbox settle funds transfer method with the funds transfer ID that we collected from the prior request. And now we see the status is settled. We refresh this screen. We have $1 million. It's currently showing in the unavailable column, pending review. Again, this is a short-lived contingent hold that will refresh and automatically remove itself within a few seconds. So we're just going to refresh the screen one more time. And now we see we have an extra $1 million available in this account.